Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Ed, and I am a certified system administrator and community rising star for 2023 and 2024. And I want to welcome you to my channel. The intent, for those of you that have not been here before, the intent of this channel is for us to learn together. For a lot of things you'll see are a little simple uh, creations on the platform because I want to show those that are beginning to join the ServiceNow ecosystem on how to go ahead and navigate the platform and communicate on in the community, the ServiceNow community, as well as just a few tips on what how you can go ahead and hopefully progress in a career working in ServiceNow on there. Uh, please subscribe to the channel, leave some comments, share your knowledge and experience so that we can both grow and others can look and see what you've done and learn from your experiences as well. So I was recently asked, what is ServiceNow? And so I figured today I would put a short video to show you how to get started with ServiceNow, and whether you're new to ITSM or just starting with ServiceNow, this video hopefully will guide you through the basics. I don't want to get into a huge history of ServiceNow, uh, but let's talk about what ServiceNow is. So, ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform that helps automate IT and business processes. It's widely used for managing IT services, incidents, change requests, and much more on there. Some of the key benefits are simplified experiences, purposeful automation, which means you can take the digital sprawl across your enterprise and deliver an automated, intelligent system of action, which helps to take the load and burden off of employees on there. Um, Offers organizational agility on there with a low code, intelligent platform on there. So those are just some of the few things that ServiceNow offers, and there's a whole array of them on this. So let's uh, let's do this. So let's go ahead and start and talking about how do you get started in ServiceNow, right? So if you're new to ServiceNow and you want to just kind of navigate and find out a little more and how things work, um, you'll need a ServiceNow developer instance. So if you look at my screen here, I'm at the home page of the ServiceNow developer uh, website on it. And basically, as it says here, basically you can rapidly build, test, and deploy applications on it. Now, I wouldn't use this specific personal developer instance to use on your company, to use for your company. But if you want to use it to build applications and then kind of rebuild them in your company's platform, then I would do that. This is really more of a learning environment for you. So I've gone on ahead and in a separate tab have logged in, but basically this is where you would come in. You would sign up and click this button here to sign up and enter your information. It will then offer you an array of releases that you can choose from. On right now, the latest version is a version called Xanadu. And so ServiceNow upgrades the platform to different releases. I believe it's every 6 months or twice a year. And we at work we have upgraded our releases to the Washington release, but the latest release, which is Xanadu, just uh, came into the PDF personal developer instances. So if you want to use the latest, you can do that. Once you've registered and your instance is active, so I'll take you to the one that I did log into, you will see this screen here, basically. And like I see, you're currently available. So you have four, the last four is what will show. So you have Utah, Vancouver, Washington, D.C., which is what my personal developer instance is on right now. And then Xanadu. So I can do an upgrade to Xanadu, but I'm still kind of working in Washington, so I want to learn some more. So I've left it on here. So once you have registered and your instance has been spun up, you'll see this button become highlighted where it will say Start Building. You can then click on that, and this tab opens up, and your once your account is created, and you'll see the ServiceNow dashboard. So this is what the interface is. So let's just take a quick um, tour of the interface. So if you look on your left here, what you have here is your application navigator, right? And here you can search for different applications and modules, right? So if I want to see the incidents, I can go to the incident application, and under the incident application, I can see, I can have the ability to create new, see the incidents that are assigned to me, or I can take a look at all of them here as well. Right? So I can go ahead and click on Create New. Right? So I can go ahead and, as you said, click Create New, and I have the ability to create a new incident. Let's see if it's able tutor. I believe I spelled it correct. Yes. So able creates an incident. I can choose uh, whatever the issue category may be. If you noticed in this particular instance, because I have certain things that I've been working on, the moment I chose email, it assigned it to Fred Luddy, the founder of ServiceNow. Okay? We have business services that we could choose from, and there's some we could choose. So this is basically the outline of creating an incident, and I can just give it a short description. Is if I can spell, is a test. Right, I'm gonna these little asterisks dictate that the field is mandatory. So not all the fields in my form are mandatory. So I can just go ahead and test. I put it here as well. And then I click submit. Once I click submit, as you can see, then um, my incident has been created. This is a list view. So if I click on either the word, or I can click on these three dots, and I can sort them from A to Z or Z to A, the last to the current. So let's sort the open date to today, which will show me my incident number, short description, detail, and who the caller was on there. Clicking on this link will allow me to open that incident on there. So if you looked at my other videos, then you've seen that from this view here, I can also create a report. Very easily, I can create a very simple and quick report just by, again, clicking on the column options, three buttons, column options, and then I can choose a bar chart on it. Now, this bar chart will show everything because I haven't made any specifications, but as you can see, the platform is now going on and is attempting to create the report for me. Um, and as you can see, it creates a report, gives it a generic name, and because there's no uh, categorizations, I haven't made any specifics requests, just that show me all the incidents that are active. That's what it's showing all the incidents that are active. It's showing them from the data table, the incident table on there. So a table contains records in ServiceNow. So all these records that you see here are contained in the incident table in ServiceNow. That table is a reference table of the out-of-box table called the task table on it. So this is uh, this kind of maneuvering around the platform. If you want to see what dashboards you have, you can go ahead and get rid of that, and you can see your dashboards on there. If you go to your service catalog, this is where um, your company may have things set up for you to be able to order equipment, things of that nature. So right out of the box, you have, services and hardware. There's some features that I've created. If we go to Ken will help you. Here's an application that I created, learning application, which is a parking sticker request that I created for people that need a parking sticker on there. Um, these are things that you can finagle around in the platform. You can also go to Now Learning on there. So this environment here does offer some training. You can click on your Learn drop down, and you'll see some courses. You'll see some options to a learning overview on there. There's some learning plans that you can uh, refine your skills on, which take you through. So new to ServiceNow on here, I would suggest starting here and getting to learn the platform on there. If you click on this, it takes you through navigating some of the similar things that I've just shown. There's 16 modules that they're very easy to learn on there, and they show you the application properties. They talk to you about scripting on there and Flow Designer. So um, there's just general things that you'll see as you're going along if you take this and learn. Um, Once you're on the platform and you're beginning to use it more and more, you also have the references section that teaches you things on next experience on it. You have APIs, which are integrations for ServiceNow. So you can import data to the platform through different means, not just uploading Excel or different APIs that you can use, integrations, web services that you can use to integrate data. You have some guides on here as well. So here's some now platform guides that you could use. Click on there. Here's the personal developer instance, a guide to help you how to get the most out of this instance. And then connecting, right? So if you click here, you can browse the community, which is the ServiceNow community. So if we click on that guy, just take us a moment here. It will take us through the community at ServiceNow on there. And here you can communicate with other developers, other admins, people that are just like you that are starting out and wanting to um, create things and wanting to learn the platform. Here's someone that's posted 6 steps on how to create a UI policy, right? So as you can see, people are willing to share, and you have that ability to look at that and learn on there. Uh, I'll take a look at that in a while. Seems interesting to me. Uh, so I'll post some other links in the description to Now Learning. You also have that platform, Now Learning at ServiceNow.com is another uh, site that also you can sign in and register on it, and you can start your learning journey here as well. Clicking Get Started will take you through a sense of a video on what to expect in your career journey. So you can do that on there. Um, and you can sign up and it tells you how to go ahead and do that on them. And it takes you through training materials and credentials and how to forward your career as an administrator or support specialist, you name it on it. So thanks for watching. This was a short video. I wanted to go ahead and get to you guys. Please post some comments. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It helps the channel. Um, and as we progress and get to know the platform, we could share knowledge as well for people wanting to join. So again, thank you, and you have a great day.